Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Carlos and
Megan.
oh my god, where did she come from? Holy moly. So hey guys, we're here for episode 2. We're excited to show you guys something that's become one of my absolute favorites. We figured since we're out here walking, getting rid of these Buddha bellies, why not make you guys Megan's amazing,
Buddha bowl.
which is my favorite. It's jam-packed with like roasted, chopped, shredded vegetables and
quinoa or brown rice, you can use whatever, and any kind of bean or chickpeas and lentils. You can use tofu and just like a rainbow of vegetables. We're so excited to show you.
we're really excited to show you guys. So stay tuned. We wanted to show you guys a little beautiful New Mexico. We're out here at Plaza Blanca that our amazing friend Andrew Dixon recommended. We love you. We're out here social distancing ourselves. There's not too much going on, but when you guys get a chance, get out, have some fun and stay healthy. We love you guys, and we'll meet you guys back in the kitchen. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you guys. Hi guys, we made it.
We did it.
We're back. We survived our hike out at Plaza Blanca, and we are so excited to show you guys how to make Megan's phenomenal Buddha bowl, which I think is so tasty and so healthy. And what's kind of cool is that the most requested guest on this show was Megan. And I don't know why. I guess people didn't like my curly hair. They probably loved her pretty smile. I don't know. But she was always going to be part of the show. So we're excited to have her on board. We were able to get some duct tape and a broomstick to hold up our camera phone. And so that way we can both be on set. But I'm going to go ahead and let this beautiful one show you guys how to make her Buddha bowl so you guys can get rid of your Buddha bellies. Woo! I think that's more than a Buddha belly. But we love you guys. Mwah, and we'll see you guys in a few. Bye.
Hi guys, I just got finished chopping everything up and I'm going to show you how to put it on the pan. So I'm going to finish putting everything on. I love the cauliflower. I love this purple color. It's beautiful. We got some squash. We got some sweet potatoes. We're going to probably make some kale chips with this kale, and we're going to probably leave the bell peppers raw. And we're going to pop this in the oven about 370 for about 40 minutes. And we just put some olive oil over it and some salt and pepper. Beautiful. Carlos and I always talk about how we love the taste of vegetables. So we just use salt and pepper because it's, it's all it needs. But you can get creative and use whatever seasonings you want. You can also cut in whatever shapes you want. Basically, just make a rainbow in a bowl. And you can make it your own. And we're also going to roast these beets too, which I'm super excited about. And the base of the Buddha bowl is going to be quinoa. We're going to use quinoa, but you can use couscous or brown rice, whatever you have. And for protein, we're going to add some black beans, but you can use chickpeas or lentils. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Hey guys, you made it. We did it. Megan has just produced an amazing meal for you guys, and it smells phenomenal in the house. There's nothing better that I like than roasted vegetables, and it smells like a smorgasbord of delicious flavor profiles all over the kitchen. So very excited. She went ahead and got all this stuff done. I don't want to speak too much because I want to let her show you guys how she puts this magnificent Buddha bowl together. So, Megan.
Well, I'm super excited to show you guys how to put all the components together. First, I put the quinoa in the bowl, and then I got some black beans and put them in the bowl. So now I'm just going to take the vegetables and make an arrangement around. We got everything nicely out of the oven, just hot, and came out.
Mm-hmm.
And you can use whatever you want. Make it look however you want.
Some roasted beets. So while she's doing that, the easiest way to roast some beets, some people like to wrap them up like a baked potato. We roast them just on a pan. You always want to try to use like a towel or maybe a pair of gloves to peel the skin off, because if not, it dyes your skin pretty good. And they come out amazing. So you can use them in smoothies, shakes, the Buddha bowl. What else you got going on? She has the squash. And I think Megan kind of said earlier that you guys can use whatever you want. This is designed, and any of the recipes we do are for you to have fun and don't feel restricted to measurements and things of that nature. Now, some things do require that you're exact, but not everything. And that's what's fun with this. And, you know, as we need to make sure that our immune systems are healthy, it really helps with the more calories that you put in your body. And holy moly, this looks beautiful.
Carlos, can you put up avocado?
What? Of course. So I'm going to do the avocado. I know a lot of people have a hard time cutting avocados. Super easy. Get your knife. You want to kind of cut down to where you feel the seed in the middle. You want to carry your knife over like this. Open up the avocado. Beautiful Hass avocados. You just want to go ahead and slice down. Whee! Uh-oh. And then you just want to apply a little squeeze. All that beautiful, beautiful
Ooh.
Avocado comes out.
Thank you, Carlos.
Oh, thank you.
A little bit right here. Ooh.
You could just squeeze it onto the plate if you really want to.
I'm being,
So, oh my God, Megan, it's done. So guys, this Buddha bowl we keep on telling you guys about, this is it.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! So, earlier today, we went ahead and made kale chips, which are going to be in a link down below. So if you guys want a little bit more in depth on how to make the kale chips, we went ahead and put a link down below. And then Megan made this mojo sauce because she's a badass rojo. And so it's basically jalapenos, cilantro, parsley, garlic, vinegar, olive oil, a little bit of salt, and you get it all bottled up. We bought these cute little bottles at Walmart, I think, for like $1. So you can use them to store stuff. You can use them to store your dressings. But this on top of a Buddha bowl, I mean, there's a reason mojo stands for lucky, because once this gets this, we're lucky. So we're gonna pour a little bit on.
This is such a healthy meal.
All right, let's see how it tastes. And guys, we want to tell you thank you for joining us. We hope to keep on bringing you guys exciting videos. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to message them to us. And we appreciate you guys. We love you. Eat healthy. And bye.
We appreciate you.
Mwah. Bye, guys. All right. Let's. Oh my gosh.
This is the exciting part.
For real.
And it's vegan.